Hey Javan, it's coffee time. Today I want to show you a very interesting method of making coffee called Scandinavian Egg Coffee. Scandinavian immigrants brought this beverage into the United States with the goal of turning weak subpar coffee and hard water into something that is greater than the sum of its parts. All you need is 2 cups for boiling, 1 cup ice cold water, 1/4 cup room temperature water, an egg, a pot and cover, a mesh filter, a whisk, a mixing bowl, and coffee. The idea behind this process is the albumin in the egg whites will soak up the coffee's bitter tannins and leave behind a super smooth drink. Now to do this properly, I wanted to use the worst coffee that I could get. I scoured many different forums throughout the internet to try to find the lowest rated coffee that I could purchase. Yuba Coffee rated as the lowest rated coffee. Couldn't get that, so I went to the next best, or worst. And it was a two-way tie between Maxwell House and Folgers, with Maxwell House coming in on top or bottom most of the time. So I went ahead and purchased Maxwell House. So get yourself 4 tablespoons of this for your mixture. Put your 2 cups of water into your bowl and start the boiling process. While this is boiling, we'll move on to the bowl. With the coffee already in the bowl, grab your egg and make sure it's washed really well and crack it into your bowl. And add everything, shells and all. The shells act as a flocculant to clump together any tiny particles of coffee, making it easier to remove. Add 1/4 of cold water and start to whisk. Once the water is boiled, add your mixture to the water. Give a quick mix and simmer it covered for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure it actually simmers and doesn't boil, or it will boil over, and that mess is a pain to clean up. Now, as this simmers, make sure you keep a very close eye on it so it doesn't boil over. And the whole process has a smell reminiscent of a going out of business breakfast place. It is not pleasant. When it's brewed, shut it off and quickly pour your 1 cup ice cold water into the mixture. This acts in the same way that cold or denser air sinks to the bottom. The cold water will push your monstrosity to the bottom of this. Use your strainer and your measuring cup to strain your mixture out. Look what's left at the bottom. Actually, this is not that bad. I've had Maxwell House many times in my life, and every single time it ended up with me throwing the entire thing in the garbage. This is actually doable. It's not great, it's Maxwell House. This isn't that bad. To truly compare Scandinavian Egg Coffee, I'm going to brew Maxwell House in a French press. Now let's give them a shot. As expected, this tastes like Maxwell House and deserves a place in the trash can. While the Scandinavian Egg Coffee tastes decent, again, it's not my first choice, but in a pinch, it'll do. I gotta say, I've never seen coffee grounds held together like this. As disgusting as it is, it's quite impressive. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who won't believe that you would try something like this. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below and let us know what you thought about this concoction. Until next time.